Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to introduce one of the indicator which I've created to simplify the trading process. Usually, when we are going to take any trade, we have our own strategies, indicators. Apart from that, we most of the time have a problem to identify the trend. So, trend identification is one of the important factor in trading. So, even the technical analysis, whatever indicators, everything which we are looking for to identify the trend only. So to identify the trend, I have created an indicator which will easily help you to identify the trend first. So first trend, and the next one is where is the entry, where is the stop loss, and where is the target. So that is the next question we always will have, right? For that, I've also included the logic where to enter and where to exit. And another challenge we will have is identify the time frame. So in trading, different time frame is there: monthly time frame, weekly, daily, and then smaller time like a 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, and all. Each time frame have its own trend. So that also when we are trying to identify, we will have a problem to identify exactly which trend currently that particular time frame is in. Okay, so to help all these things, whatever I just explained, this indicator thoughtfully created to address all these challenges. Okay, let me open the chart. So I'm just opening the gold chart, and then I'm just enabling my indicator. Okay, so this is the indicator I'm talking about. This is called Marketshunt 1.0. Basically, this indicator is based on the half trend logic. So wherever there is a half trend signal, buy or sell, automatically it plots the buy entry and stop loss and then target. Stop loss is nothing but it uses the logic ATR. Whenever when it is taking the buy or sell, what is the current ATR? Automatically it plots the stop loss level. And then target is 1 is to 3 I have given. So that means like every uh, win trade, if it is 1 is to 3, and it is going to give better win ratio. Right? And if you want to know more about this after indicator, you can Google it. So we all know that super trend, it is a very famous indicator, but this off trend is it reacts to the trend change immediately than any other indicator. If you are looking for the super trend, the stop loss will be more, but in the uptrend, it is immediately will change that trend direction. So it will help you to identify the trend quickly. So that's the reason I use the off trend logic. With this, I'll just explain that how this indicators works in different time frame on different scripts. For example, I'm just taking the gold. So first time start with the monthly time frame. So we all know that whenever we are doing the trading, we need to start with the higher time frame. So I'll just go to monthly time frame. So monthly time frame, so it is a bullish. So you see that when it is started around March 2013, still the trend is continuing. So again in weekly, so weekly also like so it has given the signal around January 25. So from then now it is still, it is continuously going, and daily also it is so there is no reversal at all in the higher time frame. So we don't know till when it may go. Okay, but see, in all time frame it's still it is very bullish. Okay, so let me open another script, Nifty. Okay, so Nifty again, I'm starting from the monthly time frame. So monthly time frame, this has given the target around 28,817. Okay, so future, you will see like whether that target is achieved. If you just see in the past, right? So Nifty, even in the COVID, you can see this big candle, but still the trend is in buy only. So basically, we all were panicking and then selling, right? So even that point of time, it is not a sell actually. So it was an buy trend only. So if you see the trend when it is started 8,000 to almost like 23,000, it was buy only. Okay, again there was a sell off around January 25. But again, if you see that though it has created the sell, the price didn't cross below this level, and again now the buy has created. Okay, so now the monthly target is around 28,800. So future, you will wait and see how it is working. And now See, weekly the target it has given like 26,000, around 27,000 it has given, and it is also breaking the. And so now if it is closing above this level, 25,400, I'm expecting this to reach the target around 27,000. Okay, and again daily you can see that 3rd of October it has created the buy signal. So now 25,687 target it is almost going to achieve. And you can also see there are remaining targets still to be achieved, so we'll wait and see how it is achieving. And especially in Nifty, I have seen that 4 hour it is really working well. For example, here this target achieved, and here this is achieved, and this is achieved, this is achieved, and here it is 1 is to 1, it is 1 is to 1, and here it is failure, it is 1 is to 1, here it is failure, it is achieved, and this is achieved, and these are all like 1 is to 1 achieved, and here again target achieved. So in 4 hour it's most of the time the target is achieving. And you can just see yourself how it has worked in Nifty 4 hour. So personally I have seen that this 4 hour works well in Nifty. But again, whatever I'm sharing, it is for educational purpose. I'm not intending you to take this as a like a confirmation indicator where you can suddenly jump into the trade. So this is actually going to help you along with whatever knowledge already you have. For example, you may be having some indicator to identify the trend, or you may be fundamentally researching the stocks. So those scenarios you can use this um, to identify the trend. Okay, so you can use this as an additional indicator, not a primary indicator. When you are going to buy any stocks, right? For example, I'm taking Reliance as an example. Okay, so Reliance again that 4 hour I'm showing. See one. So currently Reliance is in buy trend, and monthly if you see, monthly Reliance has given the target around 1,787, and again weekly it is install, and when it is changing to buy, and daily we can already see that the buy trend is creating. So the short term target I'm expecting around 14,067. And one more thing is it is not a lagging indicator, it is a leading indicator. So once it plots that um, entry, stop loss and target, it is going to stay, right? So it will give an idea. So basically, to simplify that decision, okay, for a daily time frame, and I'm taking what is that trend, and when we can trying to enter, so can we go ahead, or we need to pass. So that is what it is going to give an idea. And it also will help you to buy on tips concept, right? Like for example, so rather you're trying to buy a stock or any mutual fund or any ETFs, you may be thinking like, okay, so I have money, okay, so monthly on this particular day I am going to buy. Instead, what you can do, you can spread that amount. You can just buy it here. Okay, for example here, so this has given the buy signal. Okay, so one, two, and again you keep on continuously buying, two, three, four, five, six. So instead of buying all at once, when you are trying to buy whenever there is a signal, and on day time frame or weekly, so weekly you'll not get the signal often, but day time frame or 4 hour time frame you will get the signal frequently in a week, at least once or twice. So if you are trying to do the investing like that, or even daily or weekly also, according to your plan, you can see the signal and then you can buy. And when it is achieving the target, you will be in better profit. Rather you are buying everything at once and then trying to get that target, right? So if you just see that how it has performed in the past, see, I'm just scrolling here. Okay, see, so most of the time it's all the targets been achieved. Okay, so you can look at yourself in any script. Okay, most of the time in that YouTube channel or social media, wherever there is a group which is going to talk about the investment and by recommendation, right? You may have to depend on some experts advice, right? And you will keep on watching for them to identify, analyze any particular stocks, right? Like rather you can use this indicator, which will help yourself to identify whether you can buy or sell, right? So again, I'm repeating, I'm not as SEBI registered, or um, I'm giving a recommendation to use this tool. So this is for the educational purpose. I'm just sharing for everyone who is struggling to identify the trend, or spending so much of money for the training, or that whatever like a loss you had, right? And it may help you to minimize that, because I'm not just talking on the future, but based on the past performance. If you just look at how it has performed in the past, how that entry and target been achieved. Okay, so each and every script you can check, and then accordingly take your own decisions. And thanks everyone for watching, and then please subscribe my channel, and then continue to support me. I will share more such tools and then indicators in the future. And also whatever I know about share market, I'll just start sharing. Please support me. Thanks everyone for watching. And then if anyone want to access this indicator, please reach out to me. I'll give the form, and then I'll once you are subscribing my channel, I'll just provide the access to this indicator.